a resistance of 20 ohm is connected in the left gap of meter bridge and unknown resistance which is greater than 20 ohm is connected in the right gap. Means in the two gap of meter bridge, say X and Y are the resistance connected, then according to meter bridge formula, we know that X upon Y is equal to Lx divided by 100 minus of Lx. Here it was given that the resistance of 20 ohm is connected in the left gap, means here suppose X is 20 and in the another gap an unknown resistance which is greater than 20 ohm, means in the another gap if I say Y is the unknown resistance connected, then this Y must be greater than 20 ohm. Then what happens? When these resistances are interchanged, balance point shifts by 20 centimeter. So let us consider initially the balance point is Lx. So 20 by Y is equal to 100 minus Lx. This is our equation number 1. As per this question, on interchanging the position of this 20 and unknown resistance Y, then null point shifts by 20 centimeter. So what is the new equation? In the left gap now we are having unknown resistance Y. In the right gap we are having a known resistance of 20 ohm. So the equation for meter bridge becomes Y upon 20 is equal to, say new balancing length is Lx dash upon 100 minus of Lx dash. Now as far as this Lx dash is concerned, new balancing length, here it was given that balance point shifts by 20 centimeter. So the new balancing length Lx dash is equal to original balancing length plus of 20 centimeter. Why it is plus 20 centimeter? Remember, because this unknown resistance Y is greater than 20 ohm, so on interchanging the position of 20 and Y, the new balancing length it should be greater than that of what? Original balancing length by 20 centimeter. So Lx dash is equal to Lx plus 20. Put this value in this equation. So we will get Y divided by 20 is equal to, instead of Lx dash I can write Lx plus 20 upon 100 minus of, now instead of Lx dash I can write here Lx plus of 20. Now simplify it. So what it becomes? It is equal to Lx plus 20 divided by, now 100, this minus 20, it is 80 minus of Lx and it is Y divided by 20. It is what? Y divided by 20. Now see here, we can rearrange or rewrite this equation. So 20 divided by Y is equal to 80 minus Lx divided by Lx plus 20. So this is equation number 2. What is our equation number 1? It is 20 upon Y is equal to Lx upon 100 minus Lx, and equation 2 is 20 upon Y equal to 80 minus Lx upon Lx plus 20. See here, the LHS of equation 1 and that of equation 2, they are same, that is 20 upon Y. So we can equate their right hand side. So what is the RHS of equation 1? It is Lx divided by 100 minus Lx, and what is RHS of equation 2? It is 80 minus of Lx divided by Lx plus of 20. Now cross multiply it. So we will get Lx into Lx plus 20 is equal to 100 minus of Lx into 80 minus of Lx. Now multiply it. So it is Lx square plus 20 Lx is equal to 100 into 80 means it is 8000. 100 minus of 100 Lx minus of 80 Lx and minus of minus it becomes plus Lx square. So this Lx square on both side of equation get cancelled. So minus 100 minus 80, it is minus 180, and when it is taken to this side it becomes plus 180. So 20 plus 180 means it is 200 Lx is equal to 8000. So therefore Lx is equal to 8000 divided by 200. So these two zeros get cancelled and 2 ones are 2, 2 40s are 80. So therefore Lx is equal to 40 centimeters. So the correct option for this equation, for this question, it is C.